Hello, and welcome to another Papa Zook's review and unboxing. Today we received a Brat 4-piece Boston shaker set. Comes well packed in an Amazon box. My wife is lovingly showing the pieces here. Let's go ahead and open it up. This box comes complete with a jigger, double-sided. One side has a 1/2 ounce, the other side has a 1 ounce. Also comes with an 18-ounce stainless steel shaker, unweighted. Included as well is a 28-ounce stainless steel shaker, weighted. And also a 4-prong hawthorn strainer. All bubble wrapped and well put together, no scratches, dings, or dents. And there's the complete set. You see it's very shiny, very well put together, and very well constructed. Today we are going to make a dirty martini. Ingredients you're going to need: any vodka of choice, any vermouth of choice for scent. You're going to need plenty of ice, some martini glasses, and some Queen olives. First thing you're going to want to do is put some ice and water in your martini glass to get it chilled. Then you're going to take the weighted steel shaker and add plenty of ice. All the way to the top is fine. Next, you're going to grab your vodka and the jigger. You're going to need 6 ounces for this pour, since this is for 2 martinis. There's 1 ounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ounces. Next you'll want to grab is your vermouth. This is for scents, you're not going to want to put too much. Go ahead and grab the small half-size side of the jigger. Pour about half of that directly in. Next you want to go ahead and grab your olives or your olive juice. Use either side. You're going to need 1 ounce of olive juice. Either 2 of the 1/2 ounce size, or you can go ahead and grab 1 pour of the 1 ounce size. Go ahead and grab the unweighted shaker, seat it firmly inside the weighted shaker, and shake. As you notice, there was no leakage or spillage because it's seated firmly and created a good seal. Next, empty out the water and ice from a martini glass. Pop open the shaker by removing the small, unweighted side. Grab your 4-prong hawthorn strainer and place it on top of the weighted shaker. Pour and enjoy. Oh, and don't forget the olives. This is a dirty martini, of course. We did notice several good things about the shaker. One, that you didn't freeze your hands, and it shook everything well. There wasn't much that we noticed anything bad about the shaker. All in all, it was a real good shaker. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. The link for the item is in the description of the video. Hello, and welcome to another Papa Zook's review and unboxing. Today we received a bar Brat 4-piece Boston shaker set. Comes well packed in an Amazon box.